Spending Tracker Showdown. Join our WhatsApp channel for free budgeting templates, bill planners, expense trackers, and more. Grab your tools to manage your money better. Totally free. Don't miss out. WhatsApp link in bio. Here's what nobody tells you about spending tracker apps. The most expensive one almost ruined my budget, while the free app I almost deleted became my financial lifesaver. Let me show you what happened. I'm Sarah, and like most beginners, I was overwhelmed by the dozens of spending tracker apps out there. Everyone recommends something different, so I did what any curious person would do. I tested 3 popular apps side by side for an entire week, tracking the same expenses in all 3. What I discovered shocked me. Problem 1, the complexity trap. First up was MoneyMaster Pro, the app everyone raves about online. It looked professional, had every feature imaginable, and cost me $12. Day 1 started great. I logged my morning coffee, $3.50. Then I tried to categorize it. Was it dining out, or beverages, or daily essentials? The app had 17 different expense categories and wanted me to set up multiple accounts, link my bank, create spending rules, and set up automatic imports. 20 minutes later, I was still setting up my profile while my lunch was getting cold. By day 3, I had already skipped logging 5 purchases because pulling out my phone to navigate through 3 menus felt like homework. The app was powerful, sure, but for a beginner, it was like trying to learn piano by performing at Carnegie Hall. The lesson: more features don't mean better for beginners. Problem 2, the too simple illusion. Next, I tried QuickCash Tracker, a beautifully minimal free app that promised effortless expense tracking. It looked gorgeous. Clean white interface, one button that said Add Expense. Perfect, right? I logged my morning coffee again. $3.50, tap, done. I felt productive. But here's where things got weird. On day 4, I wanted to see where my money was actually going. I opened the app and saw a list. Just a long, scrolling list of numbers. Coffee, gas, groceries, subscription, lunch, all mixed together. No charts, no insights, no patterns. It was like keeping receipts in a shoebox and calling it budgeting. I had data, but zero understanding. I knew I spent money, but I had no idea if I was doing well or terribly. The app was so simple it became useless. The lesson: simplicity without insight is just a pretty to-do list. Problem 3, the solution, the Goldilocks discovery. Finally, I tried SpendSmart, an app I almost skipped because it wasn't trending on social media. Setup took 3 minutes. It asked me 3 questions. What's your weekly budget? What are your top 3 spending categories? Do you want daily or weekly summaries? That's it. Then it handed me the reins. Here's what happened that changed everything. Day 1, I logged my coffee. The app immediately showed me a simple progress bar. You've used 7% of your daily budget. Not judgment, just information. Day 2, after buying groceries, it sent a gentle notification. You're trending 20% over on food this week. Small adjustment could save you $40 by Friday. By day 5, something clicked. I wasn't just tracking expenses anymore. I was understanding my behavior. The app showed me I was spending $38 a week on small purchases I didn't even remember. That's over $2,000 a year on autopilot. The winning feature? It gave me just enough data to see patterns without overwhelming me with options. 3 main categories, 1 weekly summary, and small nudges that actually helped me adjust before I overspent. The lesson: the best tool isn't the most powerful or the prettiest. It's the one that meets you where you are and helps you grow. Take action now. So which app wins for beginners? For me, it was SpendSmart, not because it was perfect, but because it taught me money awareness without making me feel like I needed a finance degree. But here's the real secret. The best spending tracker is the one you'll actually use. Start simple, track consistently for 2 weeks, and watch the patterns emerge. If this experiment helped you, hit that subscribe button, because tomorrow at 8 a.m. EST, I'm diving into something even bigger. How personal finance apps turned my chaos into cash flow, where I reveal the complete system that took me from confused to confident with my money. See you tomorrow morning. Your future self will thank you.